All right, guys, super quick video today. Our grip tape's been getting pretty trashed because the dirt track that's right next to the asphalt track cakes on with dirt, which means our grip tape cakes on with dirt. So we got this cool little thing from Amazon. It is for a belt sander. It's a little cleaner, rubbery eraser kind of deal, and you can use this on your grip tape to knock off any loose dirt. So I wanted to show you the progress, show you how it works, and save yourself some money from the expensive skateboard one. So let's check it out. So that is what we're looking like so far after a super quick pass. And it just basically takes off that light layer of dust, and you guys feel a huge difference in the amount of grip. Our feet have been kind of sliding when you hit some of the bumps and adjusting. So I'll show you a quick little way how to clean it up. It's pretty simple. You just grab it, you squeeze it. And there you go. It's that simple. So I saw in some other videos, some other people will actually use like a wet cloth to kind of bring up the mud. There's no real mud that's really stuck on too bad. So we're just gonna go through the whole boards, get this knocked out, and then back to riding. So hopefully that helped you guys out. See you next time.